Morning. This is Thursday, math review for page 383, numbers 14 and 15. So today we're going to be reviewing how to find the volume of a prism. So this is our example for today. First thing we need to remember is that the formula to find the volume of a prism is V equals length times width times height. So let's start with the length. The length is right here, 5/6. The width is right here, 3/4. The height is right here, 4/5. Okay, now remember I can cross cancel before I multiply, which means I can cancel out or divide a top and bottom by the same number. So that's what I'm going to do. I see I have a 5 right here and a 5 right here. I can divide both of those by 5. So that's what I'll do. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Now I also notice I have a 4 here and a 4 here. I can divide both of those by 4. Turns them into 1s. Finally, I notice I have a 3 and I have a 6. I can divide both of those by 3. And then I take my remaining numbers and multiply straight across. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 1 times 1 is 2. So the area for this example is 1/2. So when you go to the problems on page 383, numbers 14 and 15, make sure you multiply all the fractions, the length, the width, the height times each other. If you get mixed numbers, make sure you change the mixed numbers into fractions first. Then you can do what I'm doing here. Okay, it is now your turn. On page 383, please email me, Google Hangout message me if you need to, or watch this video again. Have a great day.